in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Denton County in north-central Texas, Cooke County in north-central Texas, until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Crum, or near Denton, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Denton, Corinth, Gainesville, Sanger, Crum, Argyle, Shady Shores, Aubrey, Northlake, Krugerville, Crossroads, Munster, Lindsay, Callisburg, Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Lake Kiowa, Oak Point, Ponder, and Valley View. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 503. Interstate 35W between mile markers 79 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 460 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.